Hi, this is John with Bank Account Bonus Central, and today's video is all about Alliant Credit Union. They have a huge, up to $400 checking and savings account bonus. This is a nationwide offer, and it is for a limited time only. So this bonus is good for both new and existing customers with them. So even if you have an account with them, you're not counted out. I got multiple accounts with them, and I'm looking to get more from them. So before we jump into the details of this bonus, let's get into a quick disclaimer. I am a customer of Alliant. I am not endorsed by them. I'm not affiliated by them. This is my own personal review for informational purposes only. The screenshots are from the Alliant website, and all the information is current as of the time of this recording. All right, so quick question. Why do people get paid? Well, people get paid to solve problems. What problems do banks and credit unions have? Well, they need new customers, and they're willing to pay nicely. Alliant's willing to pay up to $400 to be a new customer. So that's an awesome thing. And one of the points of this channel is to be able to help people make money from this. I have a $3 million challenge for the year 2023. What does that mean? I want to help at least 1,000 people make at least $3,000 from these videos in 2023. So if you can appreciate profitable content on a consistent basis, do me a favor, hit this video a huge thumbs up, and let's get to work. So this is a nationwide offer. It expires March 31, 2023. You want to open up the accounts a little bit before then, but there still is time to take advantage of this. So this is the link to this offer. You can screenshot this. You can type it in a new tab. There's a QR code, or you can email me, hey, John, what's the Alliant code? Hook me up. There you go. It's also a link in the description box down below, so there is no shortage of ways to get all these links. This is a public offer. There's no referrals or anything like that. So here's what Alliant has to say. It says, get your year off to a solid start. Join Alliant to build savings blocks. The more you open, the more you can earn. So looking at this, it says your 4-step fast pass to $400. Complete the steps below. You can earn $400 deposited into your savings account. Full details below. All right, so step one, open a savings account and have a minimum $1,000 savings account balance on April 31. So basically, they want your money for about a month. You earn a $100 bonus. You can click the box to open up a savings account. Their saving rate are good, but they're you're only keeping the money there for about a month anyway. So it's 2.7% to APY, so that's not that bad. Dividend paid every month. So that is not bad. The checking bonus, you have a minimum balance of $100 there on April 30, and you earn a $100 bonus. So you can click on the green box there to open up the checking account. Their checking rates, most checking, they don't have any dividends or any interest. So this is 0.25, which is not much. But you're not doing this for the interest rate. You're doing it for the $100. Next one is a certificate. It needs to be at least $1,000, and you earn another $100. So that's pretty sweet there. Here's their rates, which are really not that bad at all. The shortest term they have is 12 months, which is 4.6%, not bad at all. And then for 36 months, it's also 4.6. 18 and 24 months is 4.25% with the interest compounded. So deposit, and then step 4 is if you want to deposit a minimum of $10,000 total across any of these 3 accounts by March 31, and you're going to snag another $100. So if you want to put $10,000 into like your savings account and earn the 2.7% plus another $100, that's not bad at all either. So here's my snapshot of my personal account with Alliant. I already have the checking and the savings, so I think I can only do 3 and 4. I'm not completely sure. I'm not going to sign up for this yet because I have money making more money until then. So I have a solid, my checking account, I got 0. Savings account, I got a whole quarter. So I took advantage of their 12-month savings promotion. I was able to do that 2 years in a row, still have the account open. So there's that. All right, solid 25 cents. All right, so if you're already a Alliant member, it says you can earn up to 300 in bonuses by collecting or completing steps 2, 3, and 4. So it's a lot of people did open up for the little Susie Orman savings bonus thing where you put $100 per month, and then at the end of the year you get $100. So for step 4, you can qualify to earn the $100 bonus if combined balance of your savings, checking, and certificate accounts on April 30th is 10,000 or more, and more than the combined balance since January 18, 2023. Use promo code FASTPASS to get started. So some frequently asked questions on this. Did I open up my accounts? Well, they're going to send you an email to verify that, yes, you did open it up correctly. Will I receive any communications? Yes, you'll receive an email. Are current Ally members eligible? Yes. You can still opening up a checking account and or certificate and meeting the balance requirements. You can put 10 grand in there and have that balance by April 30th. When is the payout? Well, the payout is going to take a while because it's within 4 to 6 weeks after April 30th. So that's going to be a good amount of time. Hey, is there a bonus you can catch that's much faster? Yes. Stay tuned. Are family members eligible? Yes. So there's no household limit for this. And then when do I need to make my deposit? So you need to make your deposit by March 31, and you got to keep it there until April 30th. So you may want to start like a week or 2 weeks before then to make sure it's in there. So they said accounts may be in pending status for 2 to 5 days if they need any additional pending reason or documentation needed. All right, so bank account bonus central verdict. Alliant hasn't had a sizable bonus like this in many years. So like I said, they had the little Susie Orman thing where you can get $100 for putting $100 each month and having at least $1,200 in your savings account over the 1 year. So I won't be able to take advantage of all that Alliant has to offer for this bonus, but why don't you take advantage of how much you can out of this? So this one is going to take a little while to pay out. So check out Digital Credit Union's bonus that pays out in like 2 days just for making 5 debit card transactions. That's a huge one. So, hey, this Alliant deal sounds good, but you got to wait a while. Is there a really easy bonus I can get sooner? Hey, shameless plug for like my favorite bonus right now. So Digital Credit Union, only thing you got to do is 5 debit card transactions, and it doesn't have to be anything big. I reloaded my Amazon gift card, 51 cents, 52 cents, 53 cents, 54, 55 cents. This was on 12/23. This is with the weekend, with banks being closed. Normally they pay out in about 2 days. Bam, 12/27, 4 days later, deposit. Thanks for joining DCU, $100. So shameless plug for like literally my favorite bonus right now because they pay out so fast and they're so consistent. So if you want to get more information about this one here, shameless plug to this video here with the links on that. All right, and Digital Credit Union, yes, definitely super quick and super easy. Love them. They also have a 6.17% savings account for up to $1,000, so that's super nice as well. So not only a reason to open up the account, but a reason to keep it open. All right, so here's today's question. What should I do if I've walked away from Jesus? So if you had a relationship with Christ and you kind of walked away to whatever the things of this world has to offer, what should you do? Well, 2 really amazing scriptures. The first one's Isaiah 55, 6 through 7. It says, "Seek the Lord while you can find him. Call on him now while he is near. Let the wicked man forsake his own way, and the unrighteous man his own thoughts. And let him return to the Lord, that he may have compassion, and toward God, for he will freely pardon." That's just an amazing thing right there. Another amazing scripture, Psalm 86, 5. It says, "O Lord, you are so good, so ready to forgive, so full of unfailing love for all who ask for your help." Life is not easy at all. I'm a high school math teacher. I teach in a dropout prevention program, and life is not easy. One prayer I know in my life that God answers 100% of my time is when I just, declare my inability to handle life on my own and just say, "God, I can't handle this life on my own. Please give me your grace." And I just feel this peace and love and joy and just the sense of amazing security, knowing that no matter what, my strength is feeble in my own self, but God's strength is everlasting and ever powerful, and he's super quick to answer that prayer. We just feel this sense of grace and assurance. So that's just something I just want to share with you. I've tried doing life on my own, and it didn't work out so good, but just surrendering my life to Christ, and he will have compassion. He gives grace, and it's just the most amazing thing I want to share with everybody I can. There's a really cool link I want to share about how to follow Jesus from gotquestions.org. Definitely recommend checking that out as well. And another thing, it's things that addictions that cause us to walk away from relationships with the God of the universe, who actually wants a relationship with us, which to me is like mind blowing. But one of the worst or most prevalent addictions out there is online pornography, and there's guilt and shame associated with it, and it's not a good thing. A lot of people are introduced to stuff well under 10 years of age. So I am an affiliate of Covenant Eyes. I want people to be financially free, and I want them to be spiritually free. I don't like myself, I don't like people living with guilt and shame of different addictions. Covenant Eyes is a solution. There is a link in the description box down below. I have an affiliate code of bank bonus. Check it out. You get your first 30 days free. See if there's something that'll benefit you. So finally, I do have comments off for these videos, but I can be reached at churningadventures@gmail.com. Hit me up and I'll get right back to you. And finally, if you're still here with me, I definitely do appreciate that. If you appreciate proper content on a consistent basis, like the video, share with others who would be able to benefit from it, and subscribe with bell notifications. And with that, look forward to seeing the next one. Peace, and may God bless you.